My car. I drive a raggedy car, Ford white and red, but I'd rather ride a bike or a skateboard instead, because my car never works. It always gives in. The man at the auto shop has become my best friend. I could easily buy a new one, so they ask me why, but I just tell them cause I have more important things to buy, like 2 feet speakers kicking in my room, a real huge boom box
with a triple dose of boom.
My house is laid, my bills are paid, there's no need for me to use rate. I got it made in the shade, and that's exactly why I pray to be the star that others are, and I would really be real far if it wasn't for
my car.
My car is fresh. We call it the two-tone Seville, but everybody knows it's a Ford for real. I don't try to hide it, so don't get excited. Don't fight it, girl, you know you wanna get inside it. Don't deny that it's fly, cause I know you wanna
try it.
If you had enough money, you would make your papa buy it. I'll admit, it may not be the flashiest ride, but when I will, it's guaranteed
to move real.
Caddies aside, with windows down, the tunes are thumping real hard, and that's off. And it frightens other driver thinking parts will fall off of my car.
My car,
my car,
his car.
My car.
I used to dream about cars since the day I was born. I used to imagine myself pushing hard on the horn. I used to love the sound, fill my heart with perk. Got my very first car and the horn didn't work. My car was super slow, it was known for slow poking. Closed one damn door and the other would open. So to get the doors closed, I can't do it alone. I have to call my whole family from out of my home. The worst thing that happened is I was with my girl, and the engine exploded, caught fire to her curl. It was so very scary when her mother had called.
My baby's born and it's all because of
my car.
One day I had a date, this babe was a joker. We were riding in her car, so I left my doors open. Ran back to the alley to put the car away, and yes, the Ford became two-tone here on this day. The reason being, doors still open, backing in the garage, and then boom, now the side looks like a collage. The door engraved in the wall like a name on a plaque. My car is yes, still fresh, but the door I now lack. Was no major, got a new one, and now I'm chill. Gray with black on the bottom, the two-tone Seville. We're going short or long, near or far, I'm gonna kick it in my car.
Drive around in Mercedes Benz, trying to pull all the babes in to impress their friends. I don't have a fancy car and the girls still love it. Yes, my Ford's parked outside, but I'm not proud of it. One day I was chilling in my ride, without a doubt hit a real big bump. The floor dropped out. I would not tell a lie, there's no need for proving. If you dare to look down,
you see the ground moving.
There's one thing good about my car, I must say. I make plenty of cash in various ways. I always make a hot spot for the rich and elite, because they always lose their wallets in the holes in the seat
of my car.
My car, my car, my car, my car, my car. Yo, Tia, man, I'm talking about the cars, you know what I'm saying?
Word up, man, but you know the Gray Seville is the freshest.
I don't think so, man. I think my red and white Ford takes the spot, you know what I'm saying? Fresh in the flesh, though, and we still kicking it, ain't we, man?
And you know that, because the two-tone Seville gets us everywhere we gotta go.
You know what I'm saying? Because we're fresh in the flesh, man. My car.
No, my car.
No, my car, man.
No, my car.
Wait a minute, whose car is the best?
Tell him, Kay.
But I'm gonna get a new one.
It's only in my car.
Who be wheeling all the babes in, though, you know what I'm saying?
I think you know that.
Me?
It's been done and said.
Right.
Pop that every time, and you know I got all the women.
Where at?